Here at Excel Machinery, we want everyone to excel in their job. To crush your project successfully, safety is number one priority. Maybe you already know this, or maybe this is a refresher. Electrical panels, generators, and lighting systems can be dangerous. I know, shocking. But seriously, coming in contact with high voltage can really mess you up. Electrical shocks and arc flash burns are extremely painful, cause blindness, and could even kill you. So what can you do to avoid electrical hazards in the workplace? Some things might seem obvious, like don't ever touch loose or fallen electrical wires. Another tip, definitely switch off the lighting circuit before changing the bulb if you can. You should also turn your face away when changing light bulbs in live sockets, and don't leave the light sockets empty. Something else to know? It's smart to pull the safety disconnect switch on the line side of any electrical box before opening it. Go ahead and put rubber mats down in your electrical rooms, and don't ever use metal ladders in switch rooms. And finally, you might want to develop a lockout tagging procedure for your work site. This keeps everybody on the same page about what machinery is turned on, turned off, and when. I hope this was a good refresher and encourages you to keep your safety in mind while working around electrical hazards. Now get out there safely and crush your next project.